Every so often, the automotive world gets treated to something truly special, a classic machine that looks as though it's been preserved in a time capsule. Such is the case with this 1966 Chevrolet Impala SS, a car that seems to have defied the decades, maintaining its factory-fresh appearance nearly 60 years after it first rolled off the production line. This immaculate piece of American muscle history is heading to auction with Mecum in January 2026, where it is sure to turn heads and spark a bidding frenzy among collectors. The Impala SS holds a special place in Chevrolet's legacy. By the mid-1960s, the Impala had become a symbol of American performance, luxury, and design excellence. The Super Sport package added a sportier edge to an already popular model, making it one of the most sought-after cars of its time. For enthusiasts today, finding one in such pristine condition is nothing short of a dream come true. What makes this particular example so remarkable is its condition. The car wears a deep black finish, polished to perfection that shows no visible flaws. It's the kind of shine you'd expect from a freshly delivered showroom car, not a vehicle approaching its 60th birthday. Chrome bumpers front and rear gleam as if they were just installed, while the original wheels remain intact, adding to the authenticity. The pillarless body design, a hallmark of classic American styling, enhances the car's sleek and commanding presence. Step inside and the story only gets better. The cabin is finished in black, with seats, dashboard, and trim showing almost no signs of wear. The steering wheel and transmission tunnel appear nearly untouched, strongly suggesting that the car has undergone a careful restoration at some point in its life. Still, whether it was painstakingly restored or simply stored away with meticulous care, the result is a cabin that looks like it just left Chevrolet's factory floor. Under the hood lies a 327 cubic inch V8, delivering 275 horsepower in its original specification. Paired with a 4-speed manual transmission, the powertrain sends energy directly to the rear wheels, staying true to the raw and engaging driving experience muscle car fans cherish. While 275 horsepower may seem modest by today's standards, in the 1960s it was more than enough to provide an exhilarating ride, especially when paired with the car's lightweight construction and responsive handling. One of the mysteries surrounding this Impala SS is its mileage, which Mecum has not disclosed. But in truth, that detail hardly matters. The car's appearance speaks volumes. Whether it was gently driven throughout its life or stored in a private garage, the outcome is the same, a near-perfect survivor that looks like it skipped the wear and tear of nearly 6 decades. The car will cross the block at the Mecum Kissimmee 2026 auction, one of the most prestigious collector car events in the world. While no pre-auction estimate has been announced, vehicles of this caliber often fetch impressive sums. Considering its condition, authenticity, and desirability, this Impala SS could easily become one of the stars of the auction. For many collectors, this isn't just about owning a car, it's about owning a piece of history, a snapshot of an era when American automakers prioritized bold design, raw power, and unfiltered driving enjoyment. In today's world of tech-heavy vehicles, the timeless appeal of the 1966 Chevrolet Impala SS is stronger than ever.